To create a recurring payment, navigate to the Process Transaction tab and either enter a new customer or select an existing customer from the drop-down. Enter a payment amount and click on the Recurring Payment section to the bottom of the screen. Check the Create Recurring Schedule checkbox and enter a title for this recurring schedule. Choose whether to repeat this transaction as an ongoing recurring schedule until it's turned off, or select a specific number of times for it to run. Select when the first run of this recurring schedule should begin, along with a frequency for this recurring schedule. If you'd like to build a first transaction today, in addition to the number of times specified in the recurring schedule, make sure you have this checkbox checked as well. Once you click Process Transaction, the recurring schedule will be created. You can always manage your recurring schedules from the Recurring tab. You can find specific recurring schedules, turn them on or off, or delete a schedule entirely. You can also edit the details of a recurring schedule by clicking on that schedule and changing everything from the title, payment method, amount, or frequency. Simply fill out your desired edits and hit Update when you're finished.